Welcome to Braven Tutorials. Today, we're exploring the innovative capabilities of Recraft.ai in creating visually consistent graphics. Generative AI design. Recraft.ai is the first of its kind, offering generative AI design tools that empower users to create and edit digital illustrations, vector art, icons, and 3D graphics. With its advanced AI technology, Recraft.ai simplifies the design process, allowing users to produce high-quality visuals efficiently. Unified design experience. Recraft.ai ensures a unified design experience across all types of creations. By providing a seamless workflow and intuitive interface, Recraft.ai enables users to maintain consistency in style and quality, resulting in professional-grade designs that stand out in any context. Efficient design editing. Recraft.ai enables users to edit and refine their designs with ease. Whether it's tweaking colors, adjusting shapes, or refining details, Recraft.ai's intuitive interface and AI-powered suggestions make the editing process smooth and efficient, resulting in visually stunning graphics every time. Join us as we delve into the world of Recraft.ai and discover how it's revolutionizing graphic design with its powerful AI-driven tools.